What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for joining us back here on another episode of Crypto Chronicles, where we talk tech, life, culture, and crypto on the regular. My name's Mark, and I'll be your host on this video today. Today, we're going to be reviewing a pretty cool platform that I've had my eye on for quite some time. This is a sponsored post as a way of giving back to you, the community that makes this channel so successful. I will be giving away 0.05 Ethereum on the next video. In order to qualify, you have to drop a comment below with one positive thing that you see in this ICO and this platform. And don't forget to leave your Ethereum address. If you appreciate the effort put forth in this video, please subscribe and click post notifications so you never miss a video. And last but not least, if you do like this video, please smash that like button as it definitely helps us grow a bit faster. Without further ado, guys, we're going to jump right into this review and we're going to check this pretty cool project out. Now, Crowd Machine wants to reintroduce blockchain technology to the world, and even those who have no idea about coding. Right off the bat, it really sparks my interest, and I think people are really going to enjoy this. Crowd Machine is powering the next generation of decentralized blockchain applications. Crowd Machine is creating the Crowd Computer, or a decentralized app execution engine that's basically powered by the peer-to-peer network of crowd virtual machines, or the CVM as they call it. And it runs on your and my devices, those who opt into this platform. It's decentralized, which means it's not hosted on one particular server or computer. In essence, it's bringing the cloud to the crowd. The Crowd Virtual Machine is a blockchain agnostic system, which means you can run any type of blockchain or create applications for any type of blockchain. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, just to name a few. And their hope is that all future blockchain applications will be built and ran using this Crowd Machine. They basically want to take out the middleman, Amazon Web Servers, and other big cloud systems like that. They want to give people the ability, whether you're a veteran in the coding space or you have no idea about coding, they want to give you the ability to be able to create these applications in a drag and drop setting. And the other area that they're really bragging about is the speed factor, how fast it takes from going from idea to the marketplace. They claim that the Crowd Machine will help people 45 times faster than traditional development. Now, they are in a private pre-sale phase. The public token sale will start in roughly 20 days from the making of this video. The good thing is that this particular ICO is opened up to the United States and Canada. Currently, the only restricted countries are North Korea, big surprise there, Cuba, Syria, Sudan, and Iran. There is a short video that gives a brief overview of the platform that I want to show you real quick.
Crowd Machine is revolutionizing the blockchain and decentralized apps market. By leveraging the world's surplus device processor capacity, Crowd Machine has created an intelligent, decentralized cloud. It combines this with a new app creation technology that enables anyone to create sophisticated blockchain and decentralized apps without writing code. We've spent years developing this powerful virtual machine, and after battle testing it in the enterprise, we are thrilled to make it available to the world of app creators and thinkers who seek to create apps without the complexities of coding.
We've just tried to make the whole process simpler by automating it. Novices and developers can actually build a solution and take that solution to market much faster than they have in the past.
People from all over the world can participate and benefit from a new app economy and accelerate the adoption of blockchain.
You'll be able to use Crowd Machine to create apps or create app source code and put it into CrowdShare and monetize that intellectual capital that you've created in the form of tokens.
CrowdShare is a repository of source code, which can be used by anyone in the community to build apps. App developers are paid Crowd Machine tokens each time their source code is used by other community members. Crowd Machine also allows people from anywhere around the world to share their spare device or computer capacity and be part of its new decentralized cloud.
So it allows everybody on the planet, whether it's a mobile phone, notebook or a desktop device, and even down the track IoT devices that are sitting around idle most of the time, everybody will be able to market the spare capacity of their devices, and every time a piece of an app runs on it, you're going to get paid in tokens.
Using intelligent routing algorithms, Crowd Machine ensures device owners in remote locations around the world can participate equally.
What we're trying to do is create an environment, a global environment where everybody collaborates to create the next evolution of decentralized applications.
Combining the power of our technology with a global development crowd collaborating in the creation of apps will change development forever and remove the single point of control authority model that exists today. Join the revolution. Power Crowd Machine.
The really cool thing about this platform, as I stated before, is it's blockchain agnostic. You can create apps for any blockchain out there. It also allows you to be able to sidechain apps if necessary, without being constrained by the traditional limitations that exist on other blockchain networks. The other neat thing about this platform is the Crowd Machine also allows its community to contribute source code to its CrowdShare repository. Each time source code is consumed and executed on the crowd computer, the community member that contributed the code is compensated in their local token, the CMCT token. So in essence, they pay you to be a member of the community, whether you're building apps or just contributing to source code. They'll even go as far as to compensate those that want to use their device as a Crowd Machine virtual server. And that's basically how this Crowd Machine, this platform, is run. It's a peer-to-peer network. It's run on anybody's machine that wants to be a part of the community. Let's touch very briefly on how this works. The Crowd Machine consists of a decentralized peer-to-peer network called the Crowd Computer. The Crowd Computer is distributed on the Crowd Machine community's mobile devices and computers, where each device on the network functions to execute decentralized apps. Built into the Crowd Computer is a highly capable blockchain and decentralized app builder technology called the Crowd App Studio. Now, the Crowd App Studio allows developers and non-developers, remember those that don't even need to know how to code, to build these dApps that run on the Crowd Computer. The Crowd App Studio is super simple to use, functionally rich, and enables the creation of dApps to meet any requirement. Once the dApp is built, it's then deployed across the Crowd Computer and made available to your customers. The Crowd App Studio can access the CrowdShare, which is a library of reusable source code the community has created. CrowdShare speeds up dApp development even further, making this source code that was already created usable for your application. Now remember, whether you're creating a dApp, contributing some source code to the project, or simply letting your device be used as part of the Crowd Computer, you'll be getting paid by their CMCT token the entire time. So there's major incentive to be a part of this community, as virtually everyone in the community benefits. Now, if you're like me and you have children, you may or may not know that there are more apps out there on the Apple App Store or the Android market that teach kids how to code simply by a drag and drop interface. And that's essentially how this system is going to work. They want to make it so simple that even your children can code a decentralized application. Now, they're so sure about their platform that they've even opened it up to new ICOs that want to launch and want to bring their idea forward. They had a moment where they were accepting proposals and applications from ICOs that want to build decentralized apps. Their application process is currently closed, but if you were lucky enough to get your application in there, they're currently reviewing everything and will be in touch with the applicant shortly. Now, they say they've been working on this platform for a few years, and they even boast some pretty big names on their website, one of which is GE. Now, I don't know what projects they've done with GE this far, but to be able to put GE's logo on your website with a real partnership that actually backs it is pretty exciting, to say the least. They've been featured in tons of press, including Forbes and Reuters, and a ton of other online publications. Well, let's check out their team real quick. Looks like they have a pretty solid team with quite a few people listed. They all have pictures and a small bio. I don't see any social media channels or LinkedIn accounts attached, which normally I'd like to see. But other than that, it looks like their team has quite a bit of experience in the space. They also list their advisors as well. Now, I did notice they have a business LinkedIn account, and it links to about 15 other employees that work for the company, which if you'd like, you can probably go in and look a little deeper on who's really on their team and working behind the project. While we're here, let's check out their social media. They have a Twitter following, about 4,581 followers. They have a solid Medium account, which it looks like they're pretty active on. They have a Telegram channel with about 4,463 members. They have a YouTube account with 299 subs. They have a Facebook page with almost 2,000 likes, which also seems that they're pretty active on there as well. They just posted yesterday. They have their standard bitcointalk.org forum with about 3,854 reads. They have a Reddit account with about 451 readers. So it looks like they're pretty solid and spread out evenly across the board. They haven't even begun their ICO, so it looks like they're doing a pretty good job at getting a buzz out there on the interwebs. While doing the research on this project, I did notice that Charlie Shrem, and if you don't know who that is, do a quick Google search because you'll be pleasantly surprised. He recently tweeted that Crowd Machine was going to be his biggest investment ever. Now that one single sentence right there holds a lot of weight. Charlie Shrem, in short, is a Bitcoin pioneer. So they've got some big names as far as partnerships. They're spending a good amount of marketing dollars on their media posts and getting news-related content out there. They're being backed by a big name such as Charlie Shrem. And already, before the ICO even starts, it looks like they're off to a great start. I'm super excited about this project, especially because they're going to be available in the United States, as that's where I reside. I'm looking forward not only to participate in the ICO, but also start to try to create some of my own decentralized applications. I think they have a solid team, their website's well put together and very informative. They have a couple great videos and explainers, and they have a solid white paper. They're evenly spread across the social media landscape, and they have some big names that are buying into them. I'm looking forward to seeing what takes place over the next few months and hope you are too. Again, if you'd like to participate in the 0.05 Ethereum giveaway, drop a comment below and let me know one thing that you like in particular about this project, and let me know whether you think you'll want to get behind something like this or not. I really appreciate you hanging on with me up until this point. Again, guys, my name is Mark, and we'll see you all in the next video. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your research and your due diligence and never get into anything that you're not sure of.